Compact sedans used to be simple, affordable cars built mainly for practicality. But today, things are changing. Buyers now expect bold design, advanced technology, and impressive efficiency even from smaller cars. That's exactly where the 2026 Kia K4 comes in. As the successor to the popular Kia Forte, the K4 brings a completely new design, a more premium interior, and modern technology that aims to compete with some of the best compact sedans on the market. So the question is the 2026 Kia K4 one of the best compact sedans you can buy today? Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice about the Kia K4 is its bold and modern design. Kia clearly wanted this car to stand out in the compact sedan segment. Up front, the K4 features slim LED headlights, a wide grille design, and a sporty front bumper that gives the car a confident and futuristic look. From the side, the fastback-inspired roofline adds a sporty touch, while strong character lines give the car a more premium presence. At the rear, sleek taillights and clean design complete the modern look, making the K4 appear more upscale than many competitors in its class. Step inside, and the 2026 Kia K4 continues to impress. The cabin feels modern and driver-focused, with a clean layout and a large digital display setup across the dashboard. Depending on the trim level, drivers can enjoy dual panoramic screens, smartphone connectivity, and Kia's latest infotainment system. The interior materials are also improved compared to the previous generation, giving the K4 a more refined and comfortable feel. Passenger space is another highlight. Thanks to its updated platform and clever design, the K4 offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it practical for everyday driving. Kia offers two engine options depending on the trim level. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder that produces around 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth and efficient everyday driving. For drivers looking for more excitement, Kia also offers a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that produces around 190 horsepower. This turbo engine delivers stronger acceleration and a more engaging driving experience, while still maintaining good fuel efficiency. Overall, the K4 focuses on delivering a balanced driving experience, comfortable for daily commutes while still offering enough power for highway driving. Kia has also equipped the K4 with a wide range of safety and driver assistance technologies. These include features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Together, these technologies help make the car safer and more convenient to drive, especially in busy city traffic or on long highway trips. Pricing for the 2026 Kia K4 is expected to start around $22,000 to $24,000 for base models. Higher trims with the turbo engine and additional technology features could reach around $28,000 to $30,000. This competitive pricing makes the K4 an attractive option for buyers looking for a stylish and well-equipped compact sedan. The 2026 Kia K4 shows how far compact sedans have evolved. With bold styling, modern technology, efficient engines, and competitive pricing, it offers a strong package for drivers who want something practical but still exciting. For many buyers, the K4 could be one of the most interesting compact sedans available today. But what do you think about the 2026 Kia K4? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more automotive reviews.